Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 9, data handling. Okay, so let's begin with the textbook first. Well, here this is a new topic for you, data handling. Now, what is data handling? Data handling is a tool to express or illustrate given information using the picture or symbol. ओके तो यहाँ पे जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो पिक्चर के हिसाब से दी हुई होती है एंड फ्रॉम दैट इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन इजीली सॉर्ट आउट द सिंपल information, right? From this set of information you can easily find out the question answer which you want to find out from the given information, right? So let's begin with this. Now look at here, look at the page number 109 where you will find out the same picture in which this is the natural scene kind of picture in which you will find out a mouse, tree, house, birds, mountains, and sky and the sun. But what do you observe in that? This picture is made up of basic shapes like triangle, square, circle, and rectangle. Okay, these four basic shapes are used in this picture. Now count the shape in the above picture. So this is the information. ये messy information है. Now we will sort out the information as per the basic shapes. Okay, here you will count the triangle first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 21 and 22. See, total 22. Now you will count the squares. How many squares are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 squares. Now you will count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Right? So total 11 circles. And rectangles. You will count the rectangles now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 rectangles. So we are here having the information which is illustrated in this picture, right? And from this information we can easily give the information which specific information, right? The occurs, name the shape that occurs the most. Now we are going to compare the numbers where 22 is the biggest number, so we can say that the triangle shape occurs the most. And name the shape that occurs the least. Least matlab sabse kam. Now again we are comparing the information, right? Information numbers of the shape. 7 is the smallest number among all this, right? So square is the shape which occurs the least. Now turn your page. These children are friends. The name of the children are written over here. Count the name of the letters in each name word. Okay, यहाँ पे ये सारे names है, उसके letters आपको count करके यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Okay, so here Salma, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 letters. Numbers of letter in this name is 5. Joseph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of letters. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters. Number of letters 4 in this name. Chintu, Chintu, right? So Chintu में कितने हैं? 6 letters. And Geeta having 5 letters. Asha having 4 letters. Then Subbu having 5 letters. Ahmed having 5 letters. And Ravi having 4 letters. See, now we are having the information related to number of letters in the given names. Now based on that you can give the specific information. So that specific information means the data handle. हम data को इस तरीके से हर तरीके से handle कर सकते हैं on that given particular information. How many names have 4 letters? Okay, 4 letters. So count the number 4. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 names. How many names have 5 letters? Okay, 5 letters wale 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 names. And how many names have 6 letters? 1 and 2. 2 names having 6 letters. Now, next question is how many times S comes in all the name taken together? So in this question, what you have to do, you have to count the letter S. What is the question? How many times S comes in all the name taken together? In all this name, you have to count the S and write down in the box. So here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, we will start counting again. S 1, 2, 3. So, S come 3 and 4. See, look at here. Again, we will count. देखो, बहुत ध्यान से देखना. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, here your answer is 4. Now, how many times A comes in all the names taken together? Now, here you have to count the name A. Letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Again, we will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 9 letter of A in all the names together. Now open your workbook, page number 165, where you will find out this picture. In this picture, what you have to do, you have to count the basic shape, write down the information in the box, and based on that, there are some question answer. You have to answer that. So this is the complete question of the data handling. The data would be given in the pictorial form, and from that you have to derive the information, and from this information you can get the answer of this particular question. So how many shapes are there in this picture? Count, write and fill in your favorite colors. यहाँ पे आपको colors भी fill करना है. I'm not going to do it, but you will do it by yourself. First we'll count the basic shape. This picture is made up of basic shape. Basic 4 shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Okay, so first we'll count the square. So there are 2 square. 1, 2. Rectangles 1, 2 and 3. 3 rectangles. Triangles 1, 2 and 3 triangles. And circle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 circles. So which shape occurs the most? Here we are going to compare the numbers of the information. So where 5 is the biggest number. So 5 is a number related to circle. So circle shape occurs the most. Which shape occurs the least? सबसे कम वाला shape कौन सा है? Square. So here 1 and 2. Right? While comparing all these numbers, we can easily find out this is the smallest number, and we are going to write down the name over here. Number 2, again the similar kind of, okay, but the information is different, so we are going to count this. Okay, so look at here. Here you will find out the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 square. Triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. 22 square. Now we will count the circle. Right? Circle count करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. ओके, तो यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 11. ओके, हम लोगों ने वो छोटे छोटे भी काउंट किए हैं. सो देर आर टोटल 11 सर्कल्स. एंड रेक्टेंगल्स, देखो रेक्टेंगल काउंट करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. एक मिनट, फिर से. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 rectangles. Okay, now we are going to compare which shape occurs the most. So 22 is the biggest number, so which occurs the most, and which shape occurs the least? 7 is the smallest number, so this shape occurs the least. Least matlab sabse kam. Now turn the next page. Question number 2. How many shapes are there in picture? Count, write, and fill in your favorite color. Right? So this would be done by yourself in the homework, because we have already solved this kind of 3 question. So question number 2, whole the question number 2 would be done by yourself. Here I am just going to explain the most का मतलब होता है सबसे ज़्यादा, and least का मतलब होता है सबसे कम. So by comparing the information you can easily get the answer, but yes, you have to write down the correct spelling. Okay, so this 2 question complete by yourself. Now look at the next page, page number 67, where you will find out the question number 3. Count the letters of the alphabet of the names given below and write the number in a pentagon and write the answer of the following question. Okay, here the names of the children are given and we have to count its letter and write down here above. In this pentagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ravi having 4 letters, Jai having 3 letters, Dev having 3 letters, Tara having 4 letters, Naman having 5 letters, Prinu having 5 letters, Urmi having 4 letters, Umang having 5 letters, and Deep having 4 letters. So we have already count and I have already wrote it over here. Now based on this information we have to rectify some of the information from it. So how many names are there with the 3 letters of the alphabet? Okay, now 3 letters wale naam kitne? 1 and 2, right? How many names are there with 4 letters of alphabet? 4 letters wale kitne? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 names. How many names are there with the 5 letters of alphabet? 5 wale kitne? 1, 2 and 3. You have to count it from there. अगर ये information आपने derive नहीं किया है तो what do you have to do? You have to count each and every number every time. कितने letters है every time, हर एक question पे count करना पड़ेगा. So it makes this information, this collection of the information will make your work easy to retrieve the data. Okay, then how many times n occurs out of all the names? अभी हमें n count करना है, ठीक है? So be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. And how many times I occurs out of all the names? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 3 times. Now turn your page. Here, question number 4. Answer the question on the basis of the picture given below. Okay, here is a picture of fruits has been given, right? And here you have to write down the answer based on that. See, here what is the question? Which fruit appears in all the row? You have to find out. See, answer is banana. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ पे सिर्फ फ्रूट लिखा है, मतलब एक ही फ्रूट है जो सारी रो में है, नॉट मोर देन वन. सो आंसर इज बनाना. हैव यू सीन ना? विच फ्रूट्स, ना मोर देन वन फ्रूट है यहाँ पे, appears in 5 rows. तो आंसर इज पाइनएप्पल एंड वाटरमेलन. देखो 5 रो में चाहिए. 1 देखो अगेन वाटरमेलन 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. 5 रो में आ गया. नाउ पाइनएप्पल भी 5 रो में एग्जिट. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is pineapple and watermelon. विच फ्रूट अपीयर्स इन 4 रोज, सिर्फ 4 रो में होंगे। तो ऐसे वाले 4 फ्रूट्स हैं, ग्रेप्स, एप्पल एंड 3 फ्रूट्स हैं, ग्रेप्स, एप्पल एंड पोमोग्रेनेट, 4 रोज, 1 2 3 and 4, apple 1 2 3 and 4, and pomegranate 1 2 3 and 4. See, I have shown you which fruit appears more than once in the same row. एक रो में एक से ज़्यादा बार आते हैं। कौन से वाले फ्रूट आते हैं? That answer is pineapple and mango. 1 2 mango. See these 2 fruits. And which fruits, यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा फ्रूट हैं। आंसर में देखो हमेशा पीछे एस लगता है, तो वहीं से समझ आ जाता है क्वेश्चन से कि here you will write down the one name or more than one name. So which fruit appears in the last 3 rows? क्या लास्ट 3 रो में कौन कौन से फ्रूट्स हैं? सो यहाँ पे है वाटरमेलन, बनाना, मैंगो, ऑरेंज, पाइनएप्पल, ग्रेप्स, पोमोग्रेनेट. ओके, so basically watermelon, banana, mango, orange, pineapple, apple, grapes and pomegranate, all these fruits are in the last 3 rows. Now answer the question on the basis of the table given below. Below, data of the selling of ice cream comes on 2 weeks is given. Look at here in this table we'll have a 2 column, first week and second week, and third column is the ice cream flavor, name of the ice cream flavor which has been sold in 2 weeks, right? Here is the selling, total selling of that particular ice cream in that week. Okay, so vanilla. Okay, based on that there are some question answers. So let's begin with this. Which ice cream flavor was most like in the first week? Most એટલે मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा. So here we are comparing all the number where 7 is the greatest number, and which flavor is that? That's the chocolate flavor. Okay, which flavor मतलब आपको flavor का नाम पूछा है, number नहीं. Which ice cream flavor was least like in the second week? Second week में सबसे कम पसंद किया हुआ, least liked मतलब पसंद किया हुआ. So here after comparing all this number we'll find out number 3 is the smallest number, and number 3 is related to pista flavor, so that flavor was pista. And which ice cream flavor was like the same during both the week? Okay, दोनों वीक में 5 and 5 equal 5 है, और कहीं है? No. So that's the orange flavor. Which ice cream flavor was most like in the second week? Okay, most like, that is the, here 7 is the biggest number among all this, and that number 7 is belongs to mango, so we can say that mango was the most like flavor in the second week. Number 5, in which week the selling of the chocolate ice cream was the most? Chocolate ice cream में सबसे ज़्यादा 7, and it was in a first week. How much? 7. In which week the selling of the pista ice cream was the least? Okay, pista ice cream का देखो first week में 4 है, second week में 3. So answer is second a week, and how much? Only 3. Look at the next page. The selling of which ice cream was more from orange or mango during both the week? दोनों वीक में ऑरेंज और मैंगो किसका सेलिंग ज़्यादा है? दैट मीन्स देखो यहाँ पे 5 ऑरेंज का इक्वल है, मैंगो 5 and 7, तो टोटल हम दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे तो देखो यहाँ पे 5 + 5 is 10 and 5 + 7 10 12. सो देखो यहाँ पे मैंगो का सेलिंग सबसे ज़्यादा है. Mango, and how much? 12. Total 12. Now look at the next question. Put the impression of your right hand and do as directed given below. Put a round on the longest finger, square on the smallest finger, triangle around the thumb, rectangle around the first finger, and hexagon around the third finger. Okay, here is a right hand, ये मेरा लेफ्ट हैंड है, बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. दिस इज द हैंड. आपको इसका इम्प्रेशन लेना है, कलर करके ऐसे इम्प्रेशन ले लो, एंड देन पुट अ सर्कल ऑन द लॉन्गेस्ट फिंगर. तो सबसे लंबे वाली ये सेकंड नंबर की फिंगर है, वहां पे सर्कल करना है. Here, put triangle around the smallest finger. Sorry, put square around the smallest finger. Here, the little finger is the smallest finger. You have to put a square around it. उसके ऊपर square रखेंगे. Put a triangle around the thumb. Here is a thumb and you have to put a triangle. वो पूरे फिगर के ऊपर triangle करना है thumb के. Put a rectangle around the first finger. This is the first finger. ये first finger है, right? You have to put a rectangle around it. Put a hexagon around the third finger. So that ring finger is the third finger, and where you have to put a hexagon around this impression of the finger, right? So this is it for this session. Next time we are going to start the new chapter number 10. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.